Welcome to my channel. It's our Fenwick life. My name is Favor. Today I'm doing my very first Grove collaborative unboxing. So I was watching Georgia Sunshine and ultimately decided, okay, now's the time. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. They have a lot of products that I do enjoy and some that I really wanted to try out. So that's what I did. I clicked on Georgia Sunshine's link and lo and behold, surprised me with the fact that I got a whole bunch of freebies. I really couldn't believe it. My first order, everything in the cart was like $90, and by the time I was done with all the free things and everything, it was like $40. I was pretty impressed with that. So let's see what is all in this box, okay? I'm gonna put it on the floor and we'll pull from there. Oh wow, look at this. So happy to meet you. A nice little card in here. Okay, so look, here's the packing, one part of the packing list, and then it's continued on the other side. So that should tell you just how much is in this box. And then here's the nice little card and the cute little sticker on the back. Excuse my fingernails, I'm getting ready to go have a manicure, kind of putting it off because I have a trip coming up. Aww. Pretty card. Really is a nice card. And a note welcoming me, and Ryan is my helper, my person. Thrilled to introduce myself as your dedicated Grove guide. His name is Ryan, and he sent me an email too. His phone number is here to text, his email. That's nice. So there you go. Okay. Already very impressed. Okay, I'm gonna grab a cup of coffee. This is my mug from Lennox. Isn't it cute with the paw prints on it? Inside it says Pet Lover. It's on clearance right now at Lennox. All right, so now because I am not sure what was free and what I paid for, just assume half of it is free. Some of it I do know, and I will tell you. For example, this item I was so excited about. This was free. This is a 16-ounce spray bottle. Let me open this, it's sticky. This is what I wanted. This is what sent me over to Grove. It was this pretty bottle. Now it comes with a concentrate glass cleaner. That is not what I wanted this bottle for. I'm sure the glass cleaner is great. I will definitely try it out. Isn't this beautiful? Pretty glass container. I make my own cleaner that is safe for my family. I understand that some of the things I picked up in here, all the things I picked up in here will be the same for my family, so I'm okay with using them. But as of now, and I still have quite a bit left, I make my own cleaner for my countertops, my floors, things like that. And I wanted to put it in here because the spray bottle I have now is not attractive. This one is so attractive, and it was free, so I thought that's perfect to try it out. I just really think it's very pretty. Nice rubber bottom on it, and it's glass, so, and it's heavy duty. I'm very excited. Now this was something I did purchase. This was $2.99. This is the Method Daily Shower. I go through this stuff like water. Obviously there's people in my family, we shower. I have a glass shower door, and this is what I use. I spray this in my entire shower after we shower, in both of the showers in the house, and I've used it for several years now. It is $4.49 at Target. It was $2.99 at Grove. $2.99 or $2.49, one of those two. Either way, that's less. I was very excited. So this alone right here. Room refresher. Now this is one of the things that was free. I picked up one and some were free, and anyway, there's several of them in here. You know we have pets. If you watch us, you know we have pets. So I was looking forward to this. It's made with essential oils, aromatherapy, household product, geranium scent. So bright floral scent, and it's Mrs. Myers, and I believe she's supposed to be made without propellants, all those things, which is excellent. Formaldehyde being the most important in that list, as my son, is it focusing? It's so far away I can't see. There you go. Oh, focus, there we go. My son is very allergic to formaldehyde. School desks have formaldehyde in them. Yeah, that was fun. I know that this will be safe for me to use around him. A lot of the ingredients, the items listed here that are not in here are safe. So this is a nice thing for him to have. And one of these, there are several in here, will be gifted to he and his fiance. This is another one. This one is the lavender scent. Nice, okay? And some of these were free and some of them were like $1.50 or $2.50. I mean, so inexpensive. Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day. This is the room freshener, also in lemon verbena. I love lemon. Very excited about that. All right, there you go. So that's all of them. And one of those is going to my daughter-in-law and the other two will go in the bathroom and the living room and wherever I decide to spray. This is the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day hand soap made with olive oil and aloe vera. And it, again, is safe for Robbie, my middle son, to use, and my youngest son. They all have very sensitive skin, so it's very nice to have this stuff around. Typically I use Dawn. Dawn's not so great on the hands, but it is something they can use, so it's nice to have this, a nice scented, pretty soap to have around the house. So I'll put these in the bathroom, they'll go in the kitchen. So I have a method one in the kitchen from Christmas, still left. I picked up several of them, I got them on clearance. So it'll be nice to change this one and use a fresher scent. This one's lavender. And then here's another one, and this one's lemon verbena. You can bet this is going in my kitchen. I cannot wait, I love lemon. Okay, this is the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner. Now, everybody loves this. I have heard so much about it. Like I said, I make my own cleaners, so I will be testing this out and seeing how much I like this. This was free, I believe. I really only think I paid for like 5 things in here. It couldn't have been that much. So there, no, actually I think I paid, this one wasn't. I don't know, you can't hold me to that, I don't know. So there you go. But I'm excited to try it. So, and you see everything comes like sealed, so you don't have to worry about it coming loose in the box. This box smells so good. Here's another item. This is Lavender and Oatmeal Bar Soap by Grove. I really wanted to try this. I too have sensitive skin, so this is nice. But you know why I really wanted this? Typically, oatmeal lavender soaps you can slice. And yes, you should be able to slice this. I wanted it for travel. I travel a whole lot, and the soaps and the body washes in the hotels are often very, very harsh. Oh, it smells so good. So I thought this might be, it can slice a little bit off and I can have it in the hotel with me. There you go. That's really why I purchased that. This, I hear lots about. This was free. This was part of my welcome package. So I'm excited to try this out. You replace the heads on this, which is nice, really nice. And I added these also. These are the walnut and cellulose scrubber sponge. There you go, nice to have in the kitchen. So I just wanted to try them out. You know, the ones I'm using now are fine, but I don't really use a sponge very frequently. Usually I use a scrub brush, but these are good for cleaning the bathroom with this stuff. Been around for years, good stuff, great to clean your bathrooms, clean your sinks, things like that, especially like porcelain sinks. Yeah, so these are great. So there you go, I bought 2 of these. They were like $1.99 or $1.50, so inexpensive. Okay, this was another thing, the hand sanitizer gel. It is the travel friendly size, it's 2 fluid ounces. Let me give it a sniff. It's supposed to not dry out your hands. Yeah. Smells nice. I don't know what the scent is. Blood orange. Yeah, it smells great. It's great. It's great for travel. I travel a lot. I'm in airports a lot. I'm on cruise ships and public places where your hands, you know. So this is nice. I will definitely be traveling with this. Cuts Grease Biodegradable Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Dish Soap. Heard lots about this, so I thought I'd give it a try. Definitely will. It's made without all that stuff in there, so that's great. Here's the thing. If this stuff is great and it works and I'm happy with it, as so many people are, I don't see why I wouldn't be. My intention is to not only purchase for me, but purchase for my son and daughter-in-law, and send it to them every month. You know, they're just starting out, so they can't always afford to buy the nicer things, and that way, you know, I'm mommy. That's what I want to do anyway. So I'll send it to them, because they both have extremely sensitive skin and extreme allergies. So this is the type of thing that's really perfect for them. So This may be coming in there like, you know, care package every month. Now, I have tried this toothpaste before, but in the powdered form, and I wanted to try the like toothpaste form, the paste form. So I went ahead and ordered it. Fresh mint and coconut oil. I actually really like the charcoal toothpastes. They really work well. So I'm gonna give it a try and see how I like this. I don't like the dryness of, hello? I don't like the dryness of the powder, so this is nice to try. This is Method Laundry Detergent. I picked up a little sample of it. I did pay for this. It was like $2 for the sample, maybe $2.99, and I'm excited to try it and see how well it works. I'm gonna split it with my son and soon-to-be daughter-in-law, his fiance, so that we can see how it works for them. And then here was the other free item. I was kind of excited about this, and this is for this room, because I think it's so pretty. Oh, it's so beautiful. Just a stoneware platter. It says Grove on it. It's so pretty. I know it's supposed to sit on your kitchen counter and hold your soaps and things, but I'm not sure. I may use it in this room to hold perfumes, or I may use it in my kitchen. I'm not real sure. I just thought it was really, really pretty, and I was glad to have it. Okay, so that's everything. Like I said, this was a fun haul. This was a lot of fun. I was really wanted to try this out, and I'm glad that I did. I will leave, I think it's my link below. But I'm gonna check and see which you get the better plan with. I'm not sure. So it'll either be my link or Georgia Sunshine's link down there. So that way you get the same deal I got. That's what I want you to get, is all the free items that I received. So I'll link one of the two below down there. And if you use the link, thank you very much. If not, just go to grove.com, Grove Collaborative. I don't know, I'll leave that link too. So that way you can just go and try it out. It's a lot of fun, and it was very inexpensive. I was really, really surprised, and that's the big thing for me, is price. Because price drives my sale, I will tell you that right now. And if it's a better deal than what I can pick up at Target and my local grocery stores, then it's worth it, because the shipping was free. So, all right, thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll join us on our weekly vlogs and our travel vlogs, where you'll see me use these items and see us traveling. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.